Welcome to Makeshift Shows with Just Randy. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. If you're returning, thanks for the support. And as always, if you want me to make a video of your strategy, let me know about it in the comments section. In tonight's video, I'll be demonstrating Eric H's double street strategy. Eric made a cool $200 on his Atlantic City trip while only playing for 30 minutes. He played on a 10-cent machine at Ocean's Casino. He did martingale his losses, which made his up bets 10 cents, 20 cents, 40 cents, 80 cents, $1.60, $3.20, and so on. In this demonstration, I'll be using whole numbers starting at $1. Let's demonstrate. Alright, so what he did is that he placed one unit on double street 1013, 1619, and 2225. And here we go. And we have a red 27. What do we have here? That is a win. Alright, so right off the bat. Alright, so we're just going to hit spin. No up betting when we win. That's only for reserved for when we lose, and we have a red 16. Alright, that's another win. Alright, right off the bat. This is probably how Eric's day went. And we're just going to hit spin again. Here we go. And here we go. We're rolling, and we're spinning, and we're flopping, and we have a black 15, which is another win. Alright. Now we're talking. But we need some what do we need? We need more wins. How about that? How about that for a 17? All right, black 17. All right, let's keep spinning. We're doing good so far, that's for sure. And of course, it's not always going to be like this. Oh, look, I lost 35, black 35. And so now we're going to up bet, double our bets to 2 units. And here we go, and we have a red 5, which is not a winner. I got excited there for a minute for some reason. All right, so we're going to up bet. We're going to double our bets to 4 units. See, there we go. And then we're going to hit spin. Here we go. And now we're rolling. And what do we got? And we have a red 27, which is a win. All right, you hit our our double street that splits the second and third dozen. All right, so we're going to backpedal down to 3 units. 1 unit on the 3 double streets, and here we go. Oh, of course, a greenie. Darn it. All right, so we're going to up bet to 2 units. There we go. Man, I like this system. And, of course, luck plays into all systems. And we have a red 27 again. Oh, man. Is that twice we've had it? Yeah, we've had that 27 twice now. All right, so we get to backpedal back down to 3 units. And here we go. And we're rolling. And I can't wait to get to Atlantic City. Got to get this coronavirus over with, though, don't we? And that's another win. That's a red 25. And Vegas. Oh, man, I love that place. And what do we have here? Black 29. Oh, man. That's all right. We're still in this. All we got to do is we got to up bet here. Let's do it. We have a red 7. Oh, not a win. All right. So we are going to double our bets up to 4 units. There we go. Man, we got it. And here we go. Let's roll it. And we're spinning. And we have a black 15, which is another win. All right. Love it. All right, so we get to back down our bet down to 3 units. There we go, and start back over, right? We're making money. And what do we have here? We have black 24, which is a win. Man, that second and third dozen double street there is paying dividends this time. And what do we have here? We're rolling, and we have red 32, not a winner. All right, so we're going to have to up bet again. Come on. All right, what do we got? And we're going to hit spin. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. And a black 15. Oh, yes. Yeah, another black 15. Table's rolling our way. Now we're going to undo back to 3 units. There we go. Nothing to it. And yes, Eric did mention that you could play around with these double streets. You don't have to play the center table. He just likes playing the center table. So we're going to up bet, and it looks like tonight that we made the right choice. And we're up. Let me see here. What do we got? We got, whoa, not again. Come on. I know the odds are the same, but man, that dang zero hits more than you would think it should. All right, there we go. 4 units. All right, we're up to 4 units on each one for a $12 bet. And 18. All right, another win. Oh, it's that middle double street right in the middle of that second dozen. All right, so we're going to back that down to 3, and we're going to spin again. I mean, this is best case scenario. I mean, we're hitting, after we've up bet once or twice, we're hitting a win. So we're not having to utilize a lot of our bankroll. All right, so we've up bet again. Now, let it make a liar of me. And, oh, black 4. Oh, all right. So now we got to up bet again, which is going to be, what's it going to be? There we go. 4, 3, 4, and 3, 4. All right, let's hit that spin. Now, if we don't win this spin, I jinxed us. And we have a 33. Oh, we went the other end of the spectrum. All right, so now we got to up bet again. Woohoo! And 8. There we go. 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Who do we appreciate? Boom. I was going to say go Jackets, but y'all wouldn't know. Oh, another loss. So we got to up, man, we got to up bet again. Oh, man. There we go. And we're going to hit some 5s in here. We ain't got time. There we go. 16 units. All right, now let's hit spin. Oh, we need to win now. We're forking over some money. We're trying to keep this a low bankroll system. And what do we have? We have a 26, which is a win. Yes. All right, so we get to go back to our 3 units. 1 on the 10 through 13, 1 on the 16 and 19 double street, and 1 on the 22-25 double street. And here we go. And we have a black 10. All right, yes, that's within that double street. We're going to leave it at that. And Eric H., I think you, I'm glad you went and won a cool $200 in 30 minutes. This is a great system. Yeah, the table could fall and we could lose everything because it could miss these double streets altogether for 20 rolls. That's just the way it falls sometimes. But all in all, I like this system. And hey, if you got a video you want me to make of your strategy, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and see you next time.